Fujifilm fans, get ready for an exhilarating release as the Fujifilm X-E5 is gearing up to be one of the most anticipated camera drops of 2025. If you're a fan of compact mirrorless cameras with a nostalgic retro design, the X-E5 could just be your ideal upgrade. Packed with major improvements in image resolution, autofocus, in-body stabilization, and video capabilities, Fujifilm is taking its X-E series to unprecedented heights. But the big question is, will the X-E5 be worth the wait? Let's take an in-depth look at its features and see what makes it stand out. A significant leap in resolution. Sensor upgrade. One of the standout features of the Fujifilm X-E5 is its groundbreaking new sensor, a 40.2 megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5 sensor. This marks a huge leap from the previous X-E4's 26.1 MP sensor, giving you nearly 50% more resolution, which means finer details, sharper images, and more flexibility for cropping. What makes this sensor even more impressive is its backside illuminated BSI technology, which significantly improves low-light performance. This enhancement allows you to capture richer details in dim environments, making it a dream for photographers who often shoot in challenging lighting conditions. To boost performance even further, the X-E5 integrates Fujifilm's X-Processor 5, a highly advanced image processor. This new processing power delivers faster speeds, enhanced dynamic range, and improved image quality. But wait, rumors have been circulating that Fujifilm may integrate Hasselblad's renowned natural color solution into the X-E5, providing even better color accuracy. If these rumors prove true, portrait photographers, landscape enthusiasts, and anyone keen on capturing vibrant, true-to-life colors will rejoice. Autofocus, faster and smarter. Autofocus has always been a crucial component of mirrorless cameras, and Fujifilm has clearly prioritized improving this aspect in the X-E5. The hybrid autofocus system now boasts an impressive 29.4 focus points, which is nearly 3 times more than the X-E4's 117 points. These extra focus points translate to faster and more precise focusing, making sure you don't miss a shot even when the subject is moving quickly. What really elevates the X-E5's autofocus system, however, is its advanced subject detection capabilities. This system can track and recognize people, animals, and even various objects, using AI-powered precision. The AI technology ensures that the autofocus is more accurate and responsive, adapting seamlessly to different shooting scenarios. In low-light conditions, this system will also make sure you capture sharp images without having to worry about hunting for focus. For street photographers, wildlife enthusiasts, and action photographers, this autofocus upgrade could be a game-changer. If you often find yourself shooting fast-moving subjects, this feature will dramatically improve your chances of nailing the perfect shot. In-body image stabilization, IBIS a must-have upgrade. One of the most anticipated upgrades for the X-E5 is the addition of in-body image stabilization, IBIS. The X-E4 was widely criticized for lacking IBIS, which made it difficult to capture steady shots, especially at slower shutter speeds. However, the X-E5 seems to have resolved this issue with a 5-axis IBIS system, which promises up to 7 stops of stabilization. With IBIS, handheld shooting becomes a breeze, even in low light. If you're a travel photographer who often shoots in less than ideal lighting conditions, this feature will be a lifesaver. It also benefits videographers who want smooth, stable footage without the need for gimbals or extra stabilization gear. Whether you're capturing cityscapes, portraits, or action shots, the X-E5's IBIS will ensure that your images remain sharp and blur-free. Burst shooting, high-speed performance. For those who need high-speed shooting capabilities, the X-E5 delivers in spades. If you regularly photograph fast-moving subjects, such as in sports, wildlife, or street photography, the X-E5's burst shooting performance will be a major upgrade. With the electronic shutter, the camera can shoot at an incredible 20 frames per second, FPS, and with the mechanical shutter, it can still deliver 15 FPS. This significant boost in burst speed compared to the X-E4's 8 FPS limit will allow you to capture even the fastest action without missing a single moment. Whether you're capturing a bird in flight or a soccer match, The X-E5's rapid-fire shooting capabilities will ensure you get the perfect shot every time. Video capabilities, a filmmaker's dream. The X-E5 isn't just a photography powerhouse, it's also an exceptional video camera. Fujifilm has clearly invested in making the X-E5 a formidable tool for filmmakers and content creators alike. It offers 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, FPS, which allows for crisp, smooth footage that rivals high-end cinema cameras. For those looking to experiment with slow-motion effects, the X-E5 also supports full HD 1080p recording at an impressive 240 FPS. This gives you the ability to create ultra-slow motion sequences with incredible detail. To provide more flexibility during post-production, the X-E5 includes F-Log recording, which gives you a broader dynamic range and more room for color grading. Fujifilm is also known for its iconic film simulation modes, which offer a variety of color profiles to give your footage a cinematic look straight out of the camera. These film simulations are highly sought after by content creators and vloggers, making the X-E5 an ideal tool for hybrid shooters who need both high-quality photography and video performance. Build quality, retro charm with modern durability. Fujifilm has always been known for its stunning retro-inspired designs, and the X-E5 continues this tradition while adding modern durability features. The X-E5 retains the classic rangefinder-style design, but it's built with a magnesium alloy body, offering a more robust and durable feel. It's weather-sealed, meaning it can handle a range of challenging conditions, from rain to snow and dusty environments. At 450G, the X-E5 is slightly heavier than its predecessor, the X-E4, which weighed 364G. However, this increase in weight comes with better durability, making the X-E5 more capable of withstanding the rigors of daily use. Despite the extra weight, the compact form factor remains intact, so you can still easily carry the X-E5 on your travels or in the field. Connectivity and storage, more options for creators. In today's digital age, seamless connectivity is essential, and the X-E5 doesn't disappoint. It features built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy file transfers and remote shooting. The addition of a USB-C port allows for fast charging and rapid data transfer, while HDMI output provides an option for external monitoring during video recording. To support photographers and videographers who need ample storage space, the X-E5 comes equipped with dual SD card slots. This allows you to expand your storage capacity and benefit from faster read/write speeds, making it a reliable choice for professionals who shoot large amounts of data. Whether you're on a photo shoot or capturing an event, the X-E5 has the connectivity and storage flexibility to keep up. Expected release date and price. When to expect the X-E5? So, when can you expect the Fujifilm X-E5 to hit the shelves? Rumors suggest that the X-E5 will be released in late 2025, possibly around October or November.